Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Ashley, and if this is your first time here, I'm so glad that you're here. Welcome to my channel. And yes, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe on the bottom of this page. Make sure you do turn that bell notification right there so you can get notifications when I do upload new videos. And if you do have social media, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Makeup Artist 27. So, and the links are always linked down below, so you can just click on the link, follow, and yes, keep it up with all my different posts. And thank you so much for visiting my channel. Let's go ahead and get started for today's video because I'm so excited. I'm very excited for today's video. We have the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box. I've been getting all these mystery boxes because I love how worth it they are. Hopefully nothing comes broken, nothing comes, you know, in pieces, nothing repeated, new stuff. And yes, I might change my shirt because I know there's a shirt here. I'm gonna open that first and I'm gonna change into my Jeffree Star mode. Okay, so yes, let's go ahead and start with this video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. Here is the box. I opened it. This was the, I think it was the Deluxe, if I'm not mistaken, because there was 3 different ones, but I believe this is the Deluxe one. So fun, so fun. I'm very excited for today. I'm very excited. You guys don't know how much I love this company. I'm gonna go ahead and open, and the first thing I'm gonna open is this Jeffree Star little shirt here, because I want to change into this shirt so you can get the Jeffree Star mode. I think it's too big actually. I don't know, I ordered large, but I guess it's big because, you know, I don't know, usually I'm large like in like men's size, like not the men's size, because I didn't know what they were, I didn't know what they're gonna send, so I just put large just to make sure it's something that fits, you know. So if it's too small because my boobs or something, you know. But this is the shirt. It's a Can't Relate shirt. So give me 1 second because I'm gonna get into my Jeffree Star mode. I am back with my Jeffree Star mode. It's not that bad actually. It really fits me. It really fits me. Super nice. I like it. Can't relate. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on the video now. I have a bunch of products in here. I am so excited. So exciting. Look at all this stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the smaller stuff. Like no room. Okay. There. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the lipsticks. We got 2 lipsticks right here. We have normal lip ammunition. This is the color Jawbreaker. Alrighty. This is the bulletproof lipsticks. Nice. I love the color. Oh, this could have been like a nice color for this look actually. It's kind of like a blue shimmery. Really nice. I believe these are $18. I'll put the price somewhere in the video right here, but I believe they're $18. And let's see. Next product we have is just a Velvet liquid lipstick. This is color Bronze Blood. I guess this is from his newest collection, the summer collection. Ooh, yes. Oh, this is a nice color. It's kind of like a metallic bronze color. That one right there. That is a nice color. Love that. I believe these ones are 18, that's for sure. That I know. I'm just not sure about these bulletproof lipsticks, but those two are definitely something that I will use. I don't know about the blue one, but all right, let's go ahead and get started with the liquid frost. I believe this is my first liquid frost. I don't have a liquid frost. This is Heat Wave. Heat Wave is the color for this. I'm just gonna open it from the bottom because it's too much. I think this is from the oldest collection because of the way what do you call it? I put too much. The packaging of this is like the old. I put a lot, guys. Let me take some out. Super nice. I don't know if you can see it right there. I'm gonna look it on the camera just so you can see it. All right, yeah. That's the color right there. A little bit goes along. That's a lot of liquid frost. Yeah, but this works as a highlighter. It's a liquid highlighter, but it's super bronzy and it's a metallic and glitter liquid highlighter. But a little bit goes a long way. I just put too much, but this would be super nice for like the beach or something like that. Super nice. I love that. Love that. Love that. Alright. I found a way. And now we have another highlighter, but this is just a highlighter powder. I love these. I have two already. And this is I think that they actually brought some Halloween ones because they changed the little packaging in the back. This is Mystery Frost, Skin Mystery Frost. Alrighty, nice. That's how it looks. That's the name. Let's see if I can. But it feels so weird, but it's really. I don't know if you guys can see it. I put it right there. It's kind of like a gold color. Super nice. It feels like, I don't know, it feels weird when you put it like another kind of texture, like felt texture, but it's nice. Super nice. Can't wait to use this. I can't wait to use this. Okay, I need wipes actually. Alright, I am back. I was just getting wipes, you know, because my hand was just like out of room already. But so far so good. I'm liking everything here. Now we have, I forgot to grab this from the other when I started with the lipsticks. I have one of the gloss. This is my first gloss. I didn't order gloss. I was like, whatever, I'm not a gloss person, but if it came in the box, I take it, especially if it's a wearable one. So we have here a gloss. Oh, sure. I think I have to open it from the top because of the way the packaging is. Yeah, this is the crown packaging. This color is called Diet Freeze. I think over here is, yeah, Diet Freeze is the color. Diet Freeze, and it's kind of like a blue. I don't know, I guess these are the ones that they didn't sell a lot because blue in Halloween, I don't know, it's kind of awkward. It's alright. It's not something that I don't think I'm gonna use a lot, but that's the color right there. But maybe with a blue makeup like this one, it could have went perfect too. Alright, and I'm kind of excited for this because I know what it is already. I saw a lot of I try not to watch the videos online. I was trying not to, but everybody kept posting pictures on Instagram, so it was just like, you know, it's already out there. But I am excited for this. The mini breaker palette, guys. I have the big one. I'm gonna show you guys. I have the big one. I have the jawbreaker right here, and I totally love this palette. If you haven't seen my makeup using it, I'll put it here for you guys. But I have the big one. I didn't ask for the small one because I was like, whatever. But I guess they're trying to get rid of them. I don't know, but I am glad that I didn't order it because I got it now. And this box was like 70 bucks, and this palette, I'm not sure how much is this palette, but this palette is like 30 something probably. But oh my god, I can't wait to use this baby. I can take this to travel. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm so glad I got this palette. Thank you, Jeffree. I'm so excited. So excited, so excited. And the last thing we have here, you'll know what it is because he did say it, that we were all getting mirrors, especially if you got the two boxes, the two big ones. You're gonna get mirror. I think the bigger box people got those big track things. I don't know, the two sets clothes. I don't know. I haven't seen the boxes or haven't seen anything else, but I'm hoping I got the black one because I don't like orange that much. Let's see, guys. Let's see what we got in here. I don't want to see. I don't want to see. I kind of want to get surprised. If I get the orange, oh well. I'm still gonna keep it because it's Jeffree Star, you know. I'm trying not to look, but it's so hard to open and not looking. I'm breaking this thing. Ugh. I'm not looking, guys. I'm not looking. Alright, so I feel it right here. I just hope it's not the orange one. It is an orange one. Just on my face, like, it's the orange one. Oh well, but I'm back with another video, guys. I am back with another video. I finally have a Jeffree Star mirror. I feel like I'm collecting mirrors now. I have two. I have this one, the Beast, and then this one. That's it. Nothing else. But I like these, even though it's not like my favorite color. But you know what? It's Halloween. Why not? Why not, right? So this is the little Halloween mirror. Totally love it. I love it. Oh, it's so cute. Guys, I don't know if you know, but I saw Jeffree Star. I live in Florida and he came here for a meet and greet almost a year ago. I think it was like February or March. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it here for you guys. It was really fun. It was really, really fun. I wish I would have gone meet and greet. I wish, but I didn't want. It would have been so awesome to take a picture with him. Hopefully he comes back again. Hopefully they open another Morphe, or maybe the Shane and Jeffree Star. I don't know. Hopefully they come back again to Miami because they always stay out there, like on the west side. They need to come more this way. You know, South Florida needs you. But yeah, guys, that's all the items we received. So how many items you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items for, I think it was like 80 something bucks. I don't remember the price, but it's not that bad, guys. It's not that bad. It's pretty cool. I am really, really excited. But yeah, guys, that is my mystery box. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you got, if you did get the box. Have you gotten any of the stuff I got? What color mirror you got? I don't know. I think the shirt is the same for everybody, but yeah, I'm so happy to be in my box. I decided to go bigger this time. Last time I was at Colombia actually, so it was so hard because by the time I remembered, because the time changed, and then over there's like no signal, no phones. I only had signal when I was on the hotel because I had Wi-Fi. But when I remember, I was like, oh crap, the mystery box. And when I logged in, they only had the small one, so I just got 2 of the small ones. And I remember I had to, one of them I gave it as a giveaway, and the other one I kept it. But yeah, and it was the same box. That was disappointing with me. But yeah, I'm so glad I got the bigger one this time. Maybe the next one I'll get the bigger one. I'm glad that they have the afterpay, because I can actually put afterpay and then, you know, pay little by little. Because yeah, it's kind of expensive if you do it at once, especially if you don't have the money at that time. So I am kind of glad that they actually have the afterpay for it. Yes, I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys like this box. I'm so glad I got it. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. And yes, I'll see you in my next video.